For today's video mga bay, I invite you to our simple dinner. Baalag pobre basta hilads mga bay. We have ripe banana, ginisang pako, and piniritong isda nga bangsi. O di ba di ka-relate kay di man kamukaon good ani? Mauni pagkaon sa bukid mga bay. Come, let's eat. Sometimes you need to try this kind of foods. This is not just good for your body, but most importantly this is good for your pocket. Pako will just grow anywhere. Pako is the local term for the edible fern. This is commonly called fiddlehead fern. O di ba nakakaunrag pako, naka-English na. Buo sa kaon lagi magpako usahay, baalag pobre basta hilads mga bay. Let's talk about the fish bangsi. Do you know this food? Bangsi is the local term for flying fish. They can be seen jumping out the warm ocean waters all over the world. Although named as flying fish but they cannot fly actually. O di ba you learned something today mga bay? See you in my next video.